Got another one installed. Had people around here talking while I'm installing, so I didn't record, but the box is down here, plugged in the power, ran the cord around and up the tree. This is lot 53. He's supposed to have 40 megs down. So let's see what actually he gets. I'm going to turn the light off. There we go. He's supposed to have 40. Let's hit it again and see. Let's try another speed test on a different app. Yeah, maybe the CPE needs to be aligned a little bit. So let's test it and see what that shows, and then come back to the test. That works a lot better. It was off a little bit, but now he's getting his speed. All right, now with it sitting over there, probably a good 60 feet. Let's see what we get. "60 feet away." I think we're doing pretty good. Getting over half of what actually, very close to what his maximum speed is from this distance. Let's be sure I'm tied to his Wi-Fi, but I do believe I am. Yep, I'm tied to it. We're getting 33 and 3 from here. So we're good. Off to the next one. I got about 3 or 4 today. Get all these done. I got to go take that one down. I got to get these done about Thursday, because Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I'm going on another trip.